We are pleased to show you the 2017 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.